What's up, everybody? I know it's been a while, but moving, man. Anyway, I got some deals for y'all today. Very good video. So get your wallets out. All right, first up, we're going to Amazon. All right, over at Amazon, we have a Bosch Freak. It's not the tippy top of the line Bosch Freak because they have another one that has a few little buttons here on the bottom of the what would you call this? Impact. I'm gonna just call it an impact because the impact driver and impact wrench on the bottom of the impact. Plus, it has it just looks a little different. It has more beans. All right, this one does 1,600 inch pounds, whereas the other one does 1,800. But you get this whole kit with a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag for $69. Anyway, moving on. Let's go to Ohio Power Tool, and this is really where the real deals are. So, well, that was quite a deal in itself. But here we go. Super Deals Day over at Ohio Power Tool, and it ends on the 13th. So today is the 12th. It was too late for me to make the video yesterday, but 20% off all these items. Over 1,500 things, most of which is Milwaukee. But let's go through a few tabs. I'm going to leave this page up, and you guys can go through it all you want. So what you want to do is, if you want to search through all of them or you want to go through a certain manufacturer, just click see all under 100 or see all under 250 or 250 to 500, and it'll start giving you some options over here. You can choose manufacturer, and you'll see that most of this stuff is from Milwaukee. 982 things from Milwaukee, and that's just stuff that's under 100. Okay, so have at it. But let's get into some hand-picked little deals I've pulled out for you guys. Now, I've been bringing this up for months now. I mean, since late winter, this thing right here. It is the most powerful whatever in one kit. And a couple things I like about this Metabo tool, and don't be confused, this is not Metabo HBT. This is the German original Metabo. Metabo HBT is the Hitachi replacement. So Metabo HBT is basically Hitachi. Metabo is Metabo, the German tool maker. All right. So with that said, very fine tools. This has the most torque out of all the other ones. I think it has one of the highest RPMs out of the Milwaukee, out of the DeWalt, out of the Bosch, out of all the other ones, okay? And one thing I like about this over the Milwaukee specifically is that you can purchase these attachments separately. So if you lose one, you don't have to buy a whole new kit like the Milwaukee. You can just purchase one of these things individually. And the only thing that's really missing here is the offset because the hex driver is built into the tool. So it's one less thing to carry around. That's why it says 3-in-1, but only shows you 2 accessories because the other one is built into the tool. Very smart. And the offset tool, I'll leave a link to it. It's on Amazon. Last time I checked, it was like $40, which is kind of high considering with this 20% off, you're paying like $40 something for all of this, but you know, it is what it is, and it's still way cheaper than all of the Milwaukee variants because the Milwaukee variant and all the Bosch, all that, because those are almost $200. Milwaukee being like $219 on sale right now. Anyway, which you can also get cheap if you go scroll through all this. That's on here too, 20% off as well if you just love Milwaukee. But I highly recommend you try this out. $59.95, so $60, 20% off. That's giving you an extra $12 off, which makes this $48. Boom, there you have it. Link in the description. Moving on. All right, so now we have another Metabo impact driver. It says impact wrench, but it's clearly an impact driver. Now, I don't recommend this one in particular. This was $14 off, so this will make this $66, right? And it's a kit. It's only just showing this on top of a battery, but it's a kit. It comes with a charger and a hard plastic case. However, there's a better alternative. If you come over here, you could just get the bare tool for $39.95. It doesn't have 20% off, no, but you get this thing for just $40 as opposed to paying what I say, $66. It's extra 20. I don't know. It's extra 20 something dollars, and you're paying, and you're getting a battery and another charger and a case, and you're getting two amp hour batteries. But so I guess that's not a big jump, but that's up to you. I would say Just personally, I would save the money and get this because I'm going to show you something else to get, which will kind of make all this obsolete. But if you want to have that many batteries, have at it. So moving on, we have this hammer drill kit. Now this is a brushed hammer drill kit. Again, two 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case, 20% off. So this is normally what? Let's call it $80. Get you $16 off with the 20%, bringing you to $64. Okay, $64. Keep that in mind. Or you could go this route for $89. Right? That's 25 extra dollars. But look at what you're getting. You're getting a brushless hammer drill, and this chuck is removable. You remove this chuck, and you come right back over here to your 3-in-1, and you can take these attachments and you can slap those bad boys on this thing, right? So they're interchangeable. Now, moving on, look at the battery. You have a high output lithium ion battery, and it's a 4 amp hour. So it comes with two 4 amp hour high output batteries as opposed to the two 2 amp hour batteries here. So you're getting that, and you're getting the regular same old charger and case. So to me, this is definitely worth the extra money. And again, keep in mind, this is brushed. This is brushless with a removable chuck. This is not removable. And there you have it. I have this. I love this little thing. I've been using it all week with this new house. So I enjoy this, and this is what I recommend. So I recommend getting this. And then I would get, not that, I would get this tool only. But if you want to spend an extra couple dollars, because it is only extra $24, $25, you get two extra batteries, another charger, and another hard case. You can do that. But I would recommend getting the tool only. And then you get this. And you're not even spending $200. Okay, that's crazy. You're not even spending $200. It's probably going to be around $140, $150. I don't know. I really do the math. But super, super cheap. So moving on to some Milwaukee stuff, which I know that's what you came for. Look at this rocket light, y'all. It's $179, which is cheap. This is normally $229. This is $179, and you get an extra 20% off. I don't know what these reviews about. I love this thing. Yes, it's heavy. It's bigger than the M12, but it's also because it goes up higher. The M12 only has like a 5-foot stance, and that doesn't cut it for me all the time. I need sometimes for the light to beam down on me, right, or down on the workpiece, and sometimes the work is just high up. It's higher than 5 feet. So anyway, especially sometimes I use it when I'm cutting hair, just doing certain things, I need the taller light. So there it is. Then I also like the 3 different settings that this has. $179, 20% off. That brings you down to $143. $143 right there. I ain't never seen this that cheap. There you go. Again, anything over $99, free shipping. Ohio Power Tool. Let's move on. Just a little stuff now. Pack out. This crate is nice. I like the crate. That's cheap with the 20% off. And then these glasses, which I can't find mine. I don't know if somebody took them or what. I might need to go ahead and indulge in this myself because I need another pair. They say they're fog resistant. I won't say that they're well, it says fog free. I disagree. I've made these fog up a few times, but it's not terrible. And another thing about these glasses, they don't scratch easily. They can scratch, but it doesn't really impair your vision like other cheaper glasses do or other cheaper goggles. They scratch real easily, and it gets in the way of your sight. So that's it. I'm gonna try to make this quick. It's been a while since I made a video. It's weird, but anyway, hopefully I saved you some money. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.